model, 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Cdti Lwb. Very tidy van, long MOT drive, away. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 137967. MOT, the 28th of October 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, wind-up windows, tow hitch. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.